Let's see what Jello does to your blood sugar. This is Zero Sugar Jello from Kroger, and it's got 5 calories in it, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, 1 gram of protein, and I'm gonna have just one, wait 2 hours and see what happens. So, all right, let's dig in. I am fasted, by the way, for about 14 hours. So, all right, I'll check back in about 2 hours and let's go over the results.
All right, so here are my results. At the time I ate the Jello, I was at 98 milligrams per deciliter. 2 hours later, I was at 106 milligrams per deciliter, so 8 points up. Not too surprising. I might do it again and try 2 servings of the zero sugar Jello. But yeah, hopefully this is helpful for you guys. I am wearing the Stelo Glucose Monitoring, and so far it's been great. And yeah, comment if you want any requests for any foods or activities for me to do and show the results. And subscribe to see other results and hopefully help you out with your fitness and health journey. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.